Hi guys, today I'm going to tell you some important facts about Human Rights Day. So, let's get started. Human Rights Day is celebrated annually across the world on 10th December every year. On December 10, 1948, the UN General Assembly adopted the Universal Declaration of Human Rights, a groundbreaking document which outlined the 30 fundamental rights that people are entitled to the world. Human rights are our basic rights or freedoms that include our our right to health, education, freedom of speech, thoughts, and equal rights. Some group organize protests on Human Rights Day to alert people during circumstances in different parts of the world where human rights are not recognized or respected, or where these rights are not considered to be important. Cultural events and photo exhibition are also held to inform people, especially today's youth, of their rights. The day is normally marked both by high-level political conferences and meetings and by cultural events and exhibition dealing with human rights issues.